Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall the SQLAlchemy library from your system. So in order to uninstall the SQLAlchemy, first open your Visual Studio's code and head on to the VS Code terminal. Then in the terminal, type in the following command, which is pip uninstall SQLAlchemy. Once that has been done, hit the enter button and wait for the uninstallation to start. Once the uninstallation has begun, you need to confirm by typing in Y or N. So in order to proceed, simply type in Y and again hit the enter key. Once you will do that, you can see this message which says successfully uninstalled SQL Alchemy version 2.0.38. That means that the SQL Alchemy has been successfully uninstalled from your system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.